Hello and welcome back to the Ultra HD Gamer, and I have an unboxing video of this cheap gammaxx 200T CPU cooler from Deepcool, and it has a dual heat pipe, a 120mm fan. It says it's super silent and has PWM control, and it works with Intel and AMD CPUs. It works with the LGA 11.5X sockets, so 11.5.1, 11.5.5, 11.5.6, 11.50, all those sockets, and 7.7.5. This also works with FM2, the AMD sockets, and FM2 Plus, FM1, AM3 Plus, AM3, AM2 Plus, and AM2 100-watt CPUs. And this works with Intel 95-watt CPUs. There are directions for the installation of the CPU cooler, and then just languages for different countries. This was probably from China. I got this off an eBay Newegg thing. Yeah, it's not the most beefy cooler. I bought two, and I mean it'll get the job done, but it's not like anything you'd overclock with or put like a very powerful CPU under. So I'm gonna start opening it up now. I mean, the box is nothing special, and the packaging too. I'm doing this one-handed. Just move it over like this. So here you have the 120mm fan, the little heat pipe and heat sink. There are these little copper heat pipes, and then yeah, they go over to here. It's just two copper heat pipes, nothing special, and it has pre-applied thermal paste, which is probably pretty crap. I mean, this is decent for the price I paid, around 14 bucks, but I mean, it's not the greatest CPU cooler. This is probably better than your like cheap $10 office computer cooler that's on OEMs, but it's not like a Hyper 212 or anything better than that, if I'm being honest. It has a pretty big fan and like a pretty nice heat sink. I mean, it should get the job done in a gaming computer, but yeah, it's just kind of cheap. It's not that heavy. Like the heat sink is not too heavy. But yeah, it's a pretty good price for about 12 bucks on eBay right now. Has a little 4-pin fan connector. Also comes with mounting screws and the mounting bracket that you put the cooler on if you took off the plastic. Yeah, nothing special. So if you were to like pair this with like an i5 or an i3, it should be fine, but like anything better than an i7 or an i5 for that matter, this might be struggling, like especially if you're overclocking. I don't know, I didn't really test it yet. I think I should, and I probably will, like once I put it on a computer, and I think I'll make a video just testing it, like with benchmarks, seeing how the thermals are, and all that stuff. I mean, it's actually half decent for the price, like I keep saying, especially with the giant 120mm blue fan. That actually feels pretty decent, and the fact that it has copper is pretty nice. It's a step up from cheap OEM coolers by a lot. Let's see how long this lasts. So if you like this video, press the like button if you want to. And if you don't like it, dislike. And if you want to subscribe. I'm always pleased to have more subscribers. And if you don't want to subscribe, well, I guess you already know what to do. Have a good day, everyone.